we are trying to follow the same principles of animals. Animals, they are concerned with eating, sleeping, sexual intercourse and defending. Ahara nidra bhayamai tunancha. Samannamitat pasubhi narana. So they have got these propensities, animals, and we have got the same propensities. Saman. We are similar to the animal in the matters of eating, sleeping, mating and defending. But then where is the distinction? Just like animal eating on the floor, we are eating on the chair and table or nicely prepared food stall. That because we are eating on tables and chairs, we advance. It is the same. Eating means to maintain the body and soul together. So, by advancing in the modes of eating, that does not mean advancement of civilization. Advancement in the modes of sleeping, that does not mean advancement of civilization. Similarly, advancement in the modes of sexual intercourse, it does not mean the advancement of civilization. Or advancement in defending, discovering atomic bombs for killing my enemy, that is also not advancement of civilization. Advancement of civilization means how much you had advanced to know the soul and the ultimate goal of the soul. How the soul is transmigrating from one body to another. Dehinasmin jatha dehi kaumanam jauvanam jara tatha dehantaram prapti dhirastattva namayya. We living entities, we are also living entities. Similarly, God is also a living entity. Nitya nityanam, chetanas chetananam. He is the supreme living entity.